Text overlay. Experience the essence of Italian cuisine. Think you know Italian food? Wait until you taste it where it was born. Let's hop on and find out. Italy isn't just a country. It's a table bursting with flavor, tradition, and pure passion. And with Italo, every trip is a first-class ticket to the heart of Italian cooking. From the creamy risottos of Milan to the sizzling wood-fired pizzas of Naples, every region serves up its own masterpiece. Imagine rolling past vineyards and olive groves, then stepping off the train to discover fresh pasta in Bologna, or a perfect cannoli in Sicily. Hungry yet? On board Italo, the experience keeps going. Spacious seats, free Wi-Fi, and even gourmet snacks, all with a side of signature Italian hospitality. It's not just about where you're headed, but enjoying every moment along the way. Traveling with Italo means discovering Italy through its flavors. Each stop is a new dish in a never-ending feast. Bold cheeses, handcrafted gelato, fragrant espresso, every stop a new favorite. So, food lovers, why settle for ordinary travel when you can taste your way across Italy in style? With Italo, your next food adventure is waiting. Track to table, city to city, flavor to flavor. Hop on, dig in, and let your taste buds do the exploring. Good journey and even better appetite.